How to spatchcock a chicken with F&. The F&, chef's knife or boning knife is perfect for this task. With the breast side down, you're going to go about 1.5 inches to either the left or right of the backbone. Work your boning knife or chef's knife into it and cut through. You will feel some resistance on some of the rib cage. Don't worry, just keep on going. It will cut through. If you reach a difficult part, just go ahead and give it a whack. You'll get right through it and save that backbone for some stock later on in the freezer, or just discard it. You definitely don't have to, but I'm making just a small incision on the breastbone. Flip that bird over, press down with a bit of force. You'll hear it pop. Once that happens, the chicken will lay flat and cook evenly. Season it up how you'd like, oil it down, skin side down right over the coals. This is going to tighten up the skin, get it a little crispy. Then we'll move the bird over indirectly and close the lid. Cook that for about 40 minutes. Check that internal temp, make sure it is 160, 165. Carryover cooking will help in this case. And then using the chef's knife, when that bird has rested for 10 minutes, we're going to go ahead and cut off the leg and thigh on each side, pull off the wings, and then get into the chicken breasts. Work the tip of your knife in between the breastbone and the chicken breast meat. That will soon come off. Once that fully comes off and you're ready, slice it up and enjoy that beautiful spatchcock chicken. From F&, please visit fnsharp.com for more.